Locked up. And they're off. A Lucky Streak with a good start. Sammy Smile has speed. Lucky Streak and Sammy Smile. The pace could not be any slower here. Lucky Streak, Sammy Smile up front. KP Silver Bullet on their outside. Crypto Copy on the fence. Master of War is fifth of five. Tremendously slow pace here for Lucky Streak, who leads it by 3 parts over Sammy Smile. Crypto Copy, Master of War together. KP Silver Bullet, 3 deep, racing fifth. They pick it up a bit as they enter the backstretch here. Lucky Streak, Sammy Smile, 1-2. Master of War third, KP Silver Bullet furthest out. Crypto Copy 2 lengths back, racing in fifth. Lucky Streak and Sammy Smile steadily picking it up here at the half-mile pole. KP Silver Bullet on their outside, racing in third. And it's Master of War, and Crypto Copy begins to move up on the inside. Lucky Streak still just in front of Sammy Smile with 3 furlongs to go. KP Silver Bullet is on the scene third. Crypto Copy fourth. Master of War has come up empty today, racing to the quarter pole. Sammy Smile makes the bid here, takes the lead away from Lucky Streak. KP Silver Bullet third. Crypto Copy trying to gear up from fourth, but Sammy Smile is cleared here. Sammy Smile at the top of the stretch should have something left. KP Silver Bullet's in second. Crypto Copy is third as Lucky Streak gives away. Final furlong to go. Sammy Smile in front. It's all Sammy Smile here with a 16th to go. KP Silver Bullet is giving a game chase, but it's just a chase. Sammy Smile has a big smile as he wins. KP Silver Bullet second.